My name is Rajesh Kumar and let me give you my room tour for Sunsian Hotel Water Villa, the Grand Villa. So you can see this is the view that you get. This is surreal. It's morning, it's around 7 in the morning. You can see the whole beach from the area. They have the multiple beaches, but you can see right underwater we are at the villa. You can see there is a water and you get a stairs, you go down, आप नीचे जा सकते हो, आप देख सकते हो, and then they have this huge area. You can sit here if you smoke. I don't smoke. They have this sitting area. You can sit down. You can have a look. The area is pretty messed up right now because I have children. They have been playing. This is the area where you can sit down. You can do some physical activity. You know what I mean. And let me take you inside. This is the huge area. This area is pretty large. You get a small bed just in case if you have a children. You have another bed, where you can sit down. They have this curtains where you can see outside, and then this is the entry. I love the, they have this huge mirror. If you want to get ready, if you are someone who is very conscious of getting ready, I am not a big fan. I don't dress up well each time, but then this is it. This is the huge mirror. Someone who like to dress up, a woman who want to get makeup and all, this is the perfect thing. This area, you have 2 wash basin, just you have a partner around. They have this whole kit for brushing, cleaning everything, dental kit. You should, it's very handy just in case you don't carry brush and stuff. I had read a quote that, the first sign of poverty is packing your brushes when you travel. So yes, this is the huge bathtub that you get. If I can show, it's a huge one. 2 people can fit in. I don't know why 2 people needs to fit in, but you get that. And then you have a different section. This is the powder room. This is the powder room, and then you have a separate section for taking bath. And you have this huge mirror for everything. Now you get a wardrobe as well. This is the wardrobe. It's a huge wardrobe. You can keep your luggage and everything. And then you get a mini bar right here. You can store your stuff. Then you have this coffee station. Then you have water bottles, multiple water bottles. You have glasses, and then you have a dressing table right now. Someone is there on the dressing table, so I cannot show it to you. And then you got a TV and a chair. The bed is huge. You have a huge spacious bed right here. You have a sitting area. So everything here is immaculate. You can see above there's a fan, AC is on. So everything is amazing. The view is, beyond words. Let me show you the makeup place. So you have this whole sitting area. You can sit down. You can have your makeup done. And this is very neat, very amazing. This looks perfect. I love this. You even, if you remove the curtain, you get the view. Everything here is amazing. I love this place. This is what they call a grand water villa. So grand water villa is what you call it. This is fun. At night they have this floodlight here. You can see fish and all. Yes. Okay, so this is my daughter. She wants to become a mermaid. They have actually an option that you can become a mermaid and you can swim. So we'll try that if we get an option of that. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and I will be posting more video from my travel.